If you need to get all cards in a Trello list using N8N, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to set it up in just a few steps. Whether you're building an automation for task tracking, project updates, or syncing your Trello boards with another app, this is a simple and useful workflow to know. And if this video helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy N8N tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open the N8N workflow you want to work on. You can use an existing automation or start from a new one, depending on what you're building. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel on the left side of the screen. From the Nodes panel, search for Trello and select it. This will add the Trello node to your workflow. Trello is the app connection you'll use to pull data directly from your boards and lists. Next, in the operation settings, choose Get All Cards in a List. This is the option that tells N8N to retrieve every card inside a specific Trello list, so you can use that data in the rest of your automation. After that, choose the credential you want to use. If you already have a Trello credential connected, select it from the dropdown. If not, you'll need to create or add the right credential first, so N8N can access your Trello account securely. Now you can configure what you want. Set the board or list details based on your setup, and make sure the node is pointing to the exact Trello list you want to pull cards from. Adjust any other available fields so the output matches your workflow needs. Once everything is configured, you're ready to test it. Run the node and check the output to confirm that N8N is successfully getting all the cards from your Trello list. If the data looks right, you can continue building the rest of your automation around it, and that's it. You've now set up N8N to get all cards in a Trello list. This is a great foundation for automations that organize tasks, send notifications, or move Trello data into other tools. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more N8N walkthroughs like this one.